Hi, and welcome to Psychotech Labs. Going to be doing something a little different here in the lab today. Still working on radios. We're going to work on my brand new Southwest archery bow. That's right. Only had it for a few weeks. We got to fix it. So Jeff at Southwest Archery, he told me exactly what I need to do to fix my bow. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to fix this bow. Alright. So, I shot it, and as you can see, that string is walked out of the groove. It does it every time. First shot, man, it starts slipping out and walking over. That's quite a ways off the edge there. So, yeah, Jeff at Southwest Archery said, hey, take it, and I will tell you exactly what you need to do to fix your bow. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to fix this bow. So first, we got to unstring it. So, we're going to go ahead and pause, unstring it, and then we'll be back after these brief messages from sponsors I don't have. Okay, so Jeff at Southwest Archery said I needed to take the limbs off the receiver. Okay, so here's the receiver, limbs are off. Then, in order to fix it, I'm supposed to take this drill, center it up, okay. Okay, so drill a hole in it, and so that fixes the lower limb. Now to repair the upper limb, even though it wasn't fucked up, we're going to repair it anyway. It's just that I needed to repair both of these using his amazing home study method. Alrighty, so that repairs the upper limb. So the upper limb and lower limb have now been repaired using Jeff from Southwest Archery's repair method. So there we are. Actually, this isn't how you repair it. He said I had to destroy both of my limbs by drilling them, sawing them, beating them, shooting them, and take pictures of the serial numbers with the holes drilled in it and all that. So, anyway, brand new bow destroyed. Yeah, and that's it for this episode of Psychotech Labs, where the psychos go.